Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna be reviewing a very weird beauty product. I'm sure you must not have heard about it, and this is a roll-on wax, guys. This is how it looks and this is the packaging it comes in. So this is a liposoluble wax which helps in removing your hair, and the best part is you do not need to heat it up at all. And summers are already here, and if we are heating there is chances of burning your skin and things like that. I have already used this wax, so we are quickly gonna be getting into the video, guys. I'm so excited to show you this. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean the world to me. So let's quickly dive into the video now. So guys, this is how my leg looked like. I know lots and lots of hair, but I really wanted to show you guys how well this product is gonna work. So this is the roll-on wax, guys, and I'm telling you, this is the most painful thing I have ever done in terms of skincare. So as soon as you start rolling this, the hair are gonna get tangled, they get stretched and comes out from roots, which is very painful, guys. I have pretty long hair here, so this is something I really wanted to tell you guys. Apart from that, I think the wax works great. As you guys can see, there is no need of any spatula, there is no need of any waxing heater, and you do not have to apply anything hot and make your skin undergo that torture ever again. You can go for this, and if the length of your hair is not gonna be that much, I'm pretty sure it is not even gonna pain. I think I am pretty much pain tolerant, but when I say in a video that it pained, it really pained, guys. I was shouting during this process, but I had to make this video and show you guys. So yeah, yes, it do not remove those little hair, the very little hair. Of course, they do not come in the grip with the wax and get removed off. I have those clips as well, but this is how my leg looked in the end, and this is all the hair which got collected. This is a clip I shot from my phone to show you the wax residue. This is not gonna go off with the help of water, and these are the hair tangled in the wax itself. So guys, in order to remove this all off, I took some oil and applied it on my leg. Yes, now I can feel my skin was very soft at this point of time, and it has also melted away the residue of the wax. I think this products really work great, and you can definitely go for this one, and I'm gonna leave the product link in the description box below for you guys. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and for some of you out there who feels the wax is super hot and your skin is so sensitive, you can definitely go and try this one. The best part is you can use it anywhere, you can carry it around, and it is gonna remove your hair beautifully. I really hope that you liked it, and I have bought this from Nykaa. I'll make sure that I'll leave the product link in the description box below for you guys to check it out. Also make sure to follow me on my social media. The links are given in the description box below, and this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care.